You know, one thing I find about coming down here and, you know, being in the woods and being in nature is that, you know, people appreciate the view, but they, you know, they take sort of a selfish point of view and they throw their garbage down anywhere. I'm just gonna make my way up here to the top of the mountain. I've never actually been up here before. I'll just show you what I'm looking at here. Out of all the years that I've been coming here, I've never gone up this pathway. It's kind of cool up here. Looks like there's a whole separate path here. And this little cove here is pretty neat. You can kind of sit here and chill. It's right down there. It's, I used to travel along the side of it, that river. And it would take me right to the back of my street, Red Hill Creek. So this is pretty much Red Hill Creek. But this is the early spring. You know, it doesn't look very flattering, but you know, it's nature in its beginnings of the spring, so whatever. It still looks nice in its own way. Anyways, I'm going to the top. So I'm definitely not going to show you my face right now because I want to be paying attention to what I'm doing. One wrong step and I'll fall to my death at this point. So hopefully it goes up a little further than this. This is what I'm looking at right now. I don't usually do this, so in terms of like videotaping myself and climbing up dangerous pathways here, because 100% of my focus is on where I'm going, where I'm stepping, and where my hands are going. So wow, beautiful sight. Already got trash here. Just lazy people, you know. They're so selfish. Like, I get it. You want to, you know, come up here and chill and have a Timmy's, but like, you know, why don't you pour it in a reusable thermos or a mug or something, you know what I mean? And you take it with you. So I'm almost near the top. I'm holding on to this branch here. I'll show you my surroundings. Look at all that garbage over there. Disgusting. But that's the site right there. Beautiful. I posted a picture of Mount Armenia Falls on my Facebook page actually a few years ago. This was, I think it was back in like July or August, but that's when this place really takes off. Like, just absolutely gorgeous. The trees are filled in. The water isn't as crazy as it is now. Usually it is in April. It just comes down like a freaking rage. But yeah. This spot is a popular spot that I come to in the summer. Just really relaxing and, really, it's good for stress relief and just admiring the place, because when they put in the Red Hill Expressway through Red Hill Valley, and it really they destroyed at least 40,000 trees. And anyway, it's ugly as fuck at this point. Nature did its best to come back, but has to compete with a big highway. So King's Forest is basically what's left of any natural, forest, right? And I'm sure it's only a matter of time before this place is recognized as a place to build, and they ruin all this because there's really no interest in these sort of, these nature reserves that are just beautiful, and I'm talking about from the politicians. Politicians care about checks, and that's just about it. There are some good ones, like Bernie Sanders, but it'd be sad if this place gets ruined. It's only human nature, I guess. We just consume things and move on, Well, what do you think? You think I should get to the top here? It's a little bit of a trek up the hill here. Maybe what I'll do is I'll see what my options are, how to get up there, and I'll go from there. Looks like there's actually a pathway up here. Here's my view. I'm not a big fan of heights, so you'll have to bear with me here. Especially while I'm trying to operate a camera. while I'm doing this. Tons of garbage down here. Uh-huh. Alright, I'm gonna pause this video and then I'll continue when I get to the top because it's too difficult to hold this phone and climb at the same time. Alright, we'll see you in a bit.